Hello students, just a real quick video. I want to show you a couple things I would like you guys to do in your websites, just so I can be able to see them, okay? You should have your websites going on, see how far you guys are in it. All that's absolutely fine. Email me if you need any help about it. We can go ahead and we can do some screen sharing, Google Meet, that kind of stuff. But I did want to show you as well because I can't see all your websites right now. I would like you to, on your website, go ahead and hit publish on it. Okay. What that's going to do is that's going to publish it to the web so I can actually see it. Okay. This should be the same URL that you already gave me, so you don't have to resend it. That just allows me to be able to see your website. Okay. Another thing that would be helpful for me in case you get stuck on something is I would like you to make me an editor of your website. So I'm back in here. Oh, one thing I should say, once you do publish your website, you can still change it. You can still edit it and everything. It's not like once you publish it, it's locked in. You can't change anything. You can still change anything that you want to. Okay. Another thing, if you don't mind going to settings and going to editors, okay, then add me as an editor to it. Okay. Most of you know my email address, but it's mjacobs if it decides to type. Something's going on. Something's locked. Oh well. mjacobs@wschristian.org. Oh, there it goes. Yep, right there. That's my email right there. So if you don't mind adding me as an editor, that would be awesome. Okay. And then just for fun, include a message with the email invitation. Put down the funnest thing you did over spring break. Okay. Alrighty. Thanks for doing that. I appreciate it. Have a great day.